show?
Yes, just
There.
close the door.
눈 뜨면 눈부신 아침 햇살과
Ayan yung nest niya. Ang galing. Mudball ang pangalan. Ang gagaling nila gumawa ng nest. Ayan. O, diba? Parang shawarma lang. Ang nice. Ito pa, oh. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ayan yung ano nila. Ayan siya in actual. Ay, ang cute ng nest niya. Ito, oh. Hinihingal na ako kasi kanina ko pa hinahanap tong Sky Amphitheater na to. Dahil may show and manonood tayo. Start at 5 p.m. Ayan, ayun na. Look! Wala nang eagle. Tinanong ko, yung eagle is kaninang 2:30 p.m. Since it's 5 p.m. na, iba na yung mag-show. Dito tayo sa mas malapit. Siyempre, mas malapit, much better. Here. Hiningal ako. Sobrang pagod ko. Hehe. Wings of the world. Hehe. It's 5 p.m. already. So, mag-start na. Ayun na, ayun na. Oh my God. Yeah! Wow! Guys, akala namin nagbabay sana. Doon pala sa ibon. Hello! Ayun pala siya nagsasalita.
All over the world.
Oh!
That is my friend Mitra. Hello everyone. I'm Mitra from the Bird Paradise. I've traveled from Scotland to Zululand all the way down to Antarctica to look for as many birds as I can in a single year. Mitra is very
galing.
passionate and a little bit crazy. So, how many birds have you seen? Last year I saw about 1,000. This year I would like to break the record and see 3,000 or more. Hashtag show off. Alright, now let's start. Let's start South America. We'll be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride on Campo Hata River. You might see the footprints of a jaguar.
Jaguar.
Or a red howler. Look around you!
Ayun pa! Yay! There's more! Oh, there's more! Ayan sila! Ang dami nila!
It's actually one of the largest of
Wow!
display of its kind in the world.
Wow!
And oh look, that is Adrian and Ferrari, Scarlet and Coral. So what they are doing right now is they are licking clay off those walls because they have sharp, pointy bills that allows them to eat unripe fruits. But there are toxins in those fruits, so clay helps to neutralize them. Clay also has minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right? That's right. No upset tummies. Well, looks like Adrian and Ferrari are enjoying their salty feast. Now, Sabrina, I would like to see more birds. Let's not stop. Let's keep going and head to Southeast Asia. Welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 avian species. Right there, let's welcome our beautiful bird. Is that a a rooster here
Oh, ang
in the
lakas.
park.
Oh my gosh, ang lakas ng boses.
That's a rooster. Hello, Mitra. There's your rooster.
Oh.
No. That's an Amazon parrot.
Amazon
Watch
parrot.
this. Hi. Okay, why don't you turn around? You want to do the sound of the rooster. Let's try this one more time. The rooster. Okay, the silent mode is on. See, can you welcome them?
Wow!
There you go. Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Now, in case you miss it, we're going to hear this one more time, okay? Are you ready? Can we do this one more time for our audience? It looks like she's still munching on a treat. Okay, let's welcome them. She wants to do the rooster sound now that she's all warmed up. Okay, can you do the rooster? Rooster. Rooster. Okay, let's do the cat. Telephone. Telephone. Can we give Quincy a big hand, ladies and gentlemen? Oh. Okay, you since we all already know his name, let's just get him to say his name, okay? You want to tell everyone your name? Amigo! Okay, amigo, there's so many of them here today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? He's asking, how are you? So how is everyone feeling today? Good?
Yes!
So Amigo is going to sing an English song, okay? A birthday song to be exact. And this song goes out to those of you who are celebrating your birthdays today, yesterday, or the rest of the month, okay? Amigo, you ready? Happy birthday to you. Okay, let's just get okay, by the way, that is a Mandarin song.
Mandarin
song called Caroline, okay? By the way, we did a very amazing job, right? Let's just give him a round of applause.
Yes!
John.
Ayaw niya. Ayaw.
100 times before you get yourself a pen, okay?
Nagwawala.
Amigo and Quincy, our Amazon.
Yay!
Alright, we'll come on down to Bird Paradise instead to visit all these beautiful birds. Okay, Elmo, come on, you know what to do. Right here.
Oh, yay!
Okay, so hornbills and toucans, they have two major differences. Hornbills, they can be found in Asia and in Africa, whereas topo toucans can be found in Central and South America. Hornbills, they also have a distinctive feature over their heads called a cusp. It can be rich, it can be big or small, and even brightly colored. Let's welcome Vicky, our great white hornbill. Now, great white hornbills like Vicky can be found in Asia. And did you know that in Borneo, some tribes believe that if a hornbill flies over a village, they will be blessed with good luck? Interesting, right? By nature, we support conservation efforts to protect these endangered.
Beautiful audience!
Wow!
We had fun this afternoon. Alright, the device that they are moving on to is called a monkey feast. Okay, we have hidden treats like nuts and seeds in those knots for our birds to forage. they can express their natural behaviors. Now, corneas, they are from South America and they are now endangered. Oh, looks like some of them have already made it back home. We have two more. Okay, only one more? Oh, okay, it looks like he's lost. Okay, hold on, monkey please.
Alam sa siya babalik.
Okay, we have one right here. Now, speaking about that being endangered, over 800,000 birds are now sold in the pet street, right? Okay, so we have one more guy who's
The world's most strongest creatures that we can find in our planet. What I would like to see right now is birds from all over the world. Right here, right now. Well, Mitra, I think your wish is about to come true. Really?
pa siya, oh. Punta tayo doon. Diyan, punta tayo, oh. May nag-aaway doon. Nakita nyo, nag-aaway sila. Bakit? Teka lang, paano natin sila? Nag-aaway sila.